Today I've got this Craig stereo record player, 8-track, system in partially working condition. It's model number 3220 is the only number I could find on it. Craig number 3220. So let's power this sucker up. The volume control, we got some static in it, but balance, bass, treble, mono, AM. Unfortunately, I don't have a 8-track, so I can't test that. Now when it comes to the record player, it's BSR made in Great Britain. I don't know a lot about them, honestly, but it does look like the something's broke off here. So this unit is for for parts for repair, partially working, like I said. Let's see. So it does spin. And otherwise, these other controls, I can't ever remember what's what. But yeah, that's all that works. It doesn't have a needle. And it's got, I'm not sure what all this means. Matrix, main plus remote, remote, and balance. 8-track. Program with 8-track. The tuning button knob is missing, of course. And the dust cover is missing. It's got a ding there in the corner. So you've got remote out, right, left, speaker, right, left, main, tape, output, and then your FM antenna. Speakers, of course, are not included with this listing. Not included. Of course, no dust cover. So there you have it. The Craig model number 3220 for sale on eBay. See the details down below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.